Hey, I see a lot of videos these days, posts everywhere about developers complaining about not having fun at writing code anymore when using AI. And I think AI changes how we work significantly. I think there's two types of people right now. There's the crafters and there's the builders. If you're a crafter, you're enjoying writing code. You care for every little line of code that is written, every library, every little plugin, how things play together, and you're probably having a lot of fun while doing that. It's really thinking about a problem, writing it down, getting it perfectly right, and it's like this joy and this art of crafting code, which is totally fine. That's like I was a developer for a very long time of my career, and I had a lot of fun really writing code. So if you look at AI tools, they basically replace that part, right? Because if you can describe your idea and tell AI is doing already a pretty good job at writing down the code and kind of fixing it for you. The more guardrails you give it, the better the results are going to be. So there's a lot of things how you can like train and get to the results you actually care for. This is not taking away that AI is actually taking care of the code writing part. So if you're a crafter, you might ask yourself, why am I in this part, right? AI is taking away that part that I really mostly enjoyed about reading and coding and developing. But there's a second type of people, and that's the builders. Builders, in this case, they care mostly from having an idea here and kind of elevating and getting to a result and saying like, okay, I want to see it in action. I want to iterate on top of the results. So if you're a builder, you're very happy because the path from here to here significantly got shorter and quicker because like now AI is writing all the code for you so you can go and validate the final idea and you can iterate on the idea and then you can push for the next idea and you can build the next thing and right. In this case, AI is really kind of like helping you to get from A to B much faster. And in this case, the builders are going to have a lot of fun because they care less about like the process of crafting and building everything. And I think this is where we are right now. People have to really think through who they are, what they want, what they get out of development. And in this case, maybe AI is like either a blessing or a curse.